Sometimes, blocking someone on Facebook is the best way to protect your privacy and enjoy a more peaceful social media experience. Whether someone is sending unwanted messages, bothering you with repeated friend requests, or you simply no longer want them to interact with your account, Facebook makes the blocking process quick and straightforward. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android phone or iPhone. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account first. Next, use the search bar at the top of the screen to find the person you want to block. Once you find them, tap their name to open their profile. Now, tap the three-dot menu located near their profile picture. This opens a list of additional options for that profile. From the menu, tap Block. Facebook will briefly explain what blocking means, including that the person won't be able to see your profile, send you messages, tag you in posts, or find your account through Facebook search. If you're sure about your decision, tap Block one more time to confirm. The change takes effect almost instantly. If the person is currently on your friends list, they'll automatically be removed as a friend. They won't receive a notification that you've blocked them, although they may realize it later if they try to visit your profile or contact you. If you ever decide to unblock someone, you can do it anytime by going to Settings, then Privacy, and finally Blocking. Keep in mind that unblocking someone doesn't automatically restore your friendship. You'll need to send a new friend request if you want to reconnect. And that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can take control of who can interact with you on Facebook and make your account feel safer, more private, and much more comfortable to use. And you're all set. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick guides.